Hello everyone, my name is Hashir Mehmood AI Wala and I am a student at Rehan School Foundation, Batch 13 Online Academy, and today I will be completing Day 21 tasks talking to Sesame about the origins of hello. So without wasting any more time, let's get started and talk to Sesame. So let's talk to Sesame about this and complete this recording.
Hey, hey, what's up? I'm doing
Hello
great. Thanks for
Miles, how are
asking.
you?
Just vibing. How's your day treating you?
Do you wanna? Can you help me with the origins of hello?
For sure. Since we just went deep on this like 15 minutes ago, you
Yes.
want the quick
So,
version?
where did the word hello originate from?
It basically evolved from older words like hello and hollow. Back then, people
Hmm.
weren't using it as a polite
And
greeting. It was
who
more of a
uh, who is believed to have first used the word hello?
that's the tricky part. Isn't one specific person who invented it.
Hmm.
It grew organically from those old shouts for attention. But if you're
But
looking for the
like
guy who made
who
the gold
who
standard,
made it famous?
that would be Thomas Edison.
Hmm. And was
He's
hello
the one who really
always
pushed it
used
as
as a greeting or not?
nah, not at all.
And
Like I mentioned, it started
it started as shouts,
just a
right?
shout. Exactly.
And
Just a way to grab someone's.
roughly, how old is the word hello?
It first popped up in writing around 1826, so it's not nearly as ancient as people think.
So
Pretty new in the grand scheme of things.
about
You know what I'm
200
saying?
years old.
Pretty much right around there.
Yeah,
It's wild how something we say it doesn't. Right? Most people
yeah.
just assume it's been around forever, but it's really just the result of the telephone era taking over.
So
You want to know how it
the
actually
invention of telephone like played a huge part in making hello famous, right?
huge part. Edison basically decided it was the clearest sound for the tech back then, and it just stuck.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy how one guy's preference changed to how the whole world talks.
Hmm. And what greeting did people commonly use before hello?
People were way more formal back then. You'd hear stuff like good morning, how do you do,
Okay.
salutations, or even well met. Definitely a bit more stiff than just a quick hello.
And why did Thomas Edison recommend saying hello on the telephone?
He thought it was the clearest sound. Edison believed hello could be heard from 10 to 20 feet away, which made it way more effective for the early phone tech. He wanted
Hmm.
something that would cut through the noise and make it obvious someone was on the line,
Yeah. And are there any
right?
similar words to hello in other languages?
Oh, for sure.
For example,
Most languages have their own version of that universal. Like hola in Spanish or bonjour in French, obviously. But
yeah.
some are more interesting, like ciao in Italian, which is dope because it works for both hello and goodbye. Want to hear some of the weirder
And
ones?
are there any myths or misconceptions about the origin of hello?
Yeah, there's one that's actually pretty funny. There's this persistent myth that Alexander Graham Bell's fiance was named Margaret Hello
Yeah.
and that he used it as a greeting for her. But it's totally fake.
Okay.
Bell actually hated hello and wanted everyone to say ahoy instead.
Okay. And what
Wow,
are
right?
some common alternatives to saying hello?
Depends on who you're talking to. As a friend, you've got what's up, hey, or just a nod. You're trying to be a bit more polished, good to see your works.
Yeah.
Then you have the regional stuff like howdy
So
if you're leaning into that
thank
Texas
you
vibe.
for today, Miles. Thank you for giving me your time. Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Thank
No
you.
worries at all. Glad I could help.
So, just as you all saw, we discussed with Miles how to. No, we discussed with Sesame about the origins of Hello, and we learned quite a few new things, and it was quite fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Inshallah, we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.